If you recently requested a password reset, this is how you're going to go about it, logging in for the first time. So after a password reset, you will enter your username. That is, if you're a student, it's going to be your index number. Then your password will be the password that will be sent to you through WhatsApp. You're going to enter that password in the password text box here. So the password that will be sent to you through WhatsApp is what you're going to enter here. After entering the password, you click on login. It will take you to the page where you'll be asked to change your password. It's just the same as you logging in for the first time. So with this one too, with the current password is going to be the password you were given when you requested for reset. So in my case, this is the password I was given when I requested for reset. And then the new password will be the password you will want to use. So you go ahead and enter the password that you will want to use on the system. Then new password again, you repeat the password in the second text box. After that, you click on save changes. If the password you entered in the second text box is different from the password you entered in the third text box, you're going to get this error, invalid login. Please try again. So you make sure that the password you enter in the second text box is the same as the password you enter in the third text box. Now you are in the learning management system.